Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a Nordstrom anniversary sale haul, and I think this will be my last Nordstrom anniversary haul of 2023. Let me show you what I ordered. And this is a pair of shoes. I didn't find them in the store, so I decided to order them online, and the box is really dusty. Maybe that's why they were on sale. Oh my god, I'm gonna need to wash my hands after unboxing these. And these are from the brand Naturalizer, and these are high top sneakers, and I really like this type of, oh my hands are really dusty. I really like this type of high top sneakers because when I travel I prefer to wear high top sneakers. I get very cold easily in the plane, and I like to wear this type of shoes. Plus it's very easy to walk long distances. So these are really nice, and I have tried shoes from this brand previously, and they are very comfortable. They are flexible, the sole is flexible, and it's not thick. It's like, you can say that it's thin, but it's not too thin, but it's good enough for flexibility. And I also like that this has zipper on the side, so you don't have to rely on the shoelaces, because it takes it takes a lot of time when you are in a hurry to do the shoelaces. So I do prefer the zipper on the side, so that's one of the reasons I decided to purchase these. Plus the price was really good. At the moment I don't remember the price, but if they are still available at Nordstrom, I'm gonna leave you the link down in the description section. So yes, and this has like a little umbrella here. Can you see it? Yeah, I think it's because these are also water resistant according to the description I was reading. And my number is 6. And I ordered the 6 wide because I prefer them wide so my toes can move around. Okay, and this is the other shoe. They are really nice. Tell me, what do you think? Do you like high tops, or do you like the regular sneakers? Yeah, I said it's water repellent. So it's not water resistant, it's water repellent. Let me show you the next product. This seems to be a big, huge box, but it's not heavy at all. So let me see what's in here. It's a big box for one item. I don't know why they do that. I really don't understand why they do that. It's only paper. Let me show you what I ordered. Oh my god, that is a big box for just this. Just this. I remember now, I've been wanting to buy one of these water bottles, and this was a good price at the anniversary sale. Usually they are very expensive. And this is a Hydro Flask bottle. And this is, how many ounces? I don't remember. 32 ounces Hydro Flask water bottle. Is 32 ounces, and this is in the color Moonlight. They have only 2 colors when I checked, and it was this, and I don't remember what other color, but this is a really nice looking bottle, and I really like the color. What I like is that I can bring it with me, and this is insulated. It's supposed to be BPA free. I can bring water, and then I can bring my little pack of electrolytes and very easily put it in there and then shake it. You know, sometimes I like to bring those electrolyte, like raw electrolyte powder, because I do this intermittent fasting, so I like to bring that little package with me to hydrate myself. I really don't like that colored electrolyte drink, so I prefer mine raw. So 32 ounces is a good amount. Let's go to my next box. Well, and we have Ultimate Man Scrub Soap Trio. This I got it for my husband because he loves this type of soap. He liked it because he says he likes that it's like a scrubby dovey soap. He likes that. And this box has 3, 4, I don't remember how much it was, but if it's still available, I'm gonna leave you the link. But it's definitely least expensive to buy the package than buy it by itself. The next product is, oh yes, this is more microcurrent activator gel for my new face machine. This was also a good price, that's why I decided to get it. So I have enough probably for a year. The next product, it's only the 3, I didn't order that much this time, is this. What is this? And if it smells like cannabis, I don't want my house to smell like that. I don't know, I didn't order this. After reviewing my online order, I found out that this candle was a gift for the purchase of another Melin and Goet product. I completely forgot about it. This box is very like empty. I don't know what's in here. It's very light. It's like a feather. Oh yes, now I remember. I ordered 2 SPANX Undetectable underwear. It's called Undetectable. I was watching a video of one of my fellow creators here on YouTube. I really like to watch her videos. Hi Tina, if you're watching my video. And she mentioned it on her video that she wanted to try this underwear. So it caught my attention by the way they are designed. So I also wanted to try it. So they are called Undetectable. And I bought 1 black and 1 nude. They were part of the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. I don't remember if it was $15 each. So I thought it was going to be fun getting one of each and see how they fit. I won't be able to show you how they fit in my body because I don't want to scare you. So let's open it and show how they look like in real life. Let me show you the black one. I bought the black one in medium and I bought the nude in small. I never tried this type of underwear before, SPANX. So I don't know how they fit. So let's open the nude first. Ooh, look at this. This is the front. Oh wow, they are very tight. Oh, I hope they fit because this is the small and it seems very, very small to me. And this is the back. I like how firm it looks and it feels. Wow, but I don't know if it's going to fit me. This is the back. The material is very soft. But I don't know if the small is going to fit me. So I am short, but from my hips, I'm really wide. Now let's look at the black one so I can compare sizes. The black one is medium. Oh yeah, I think this is better size for me since my hips are wide. Medium. And I really like the black one. I do. And I think the black one is better size for me. My legs and my hips are big. I'm short, but I have big hips. Yeah, it's definitely bigger. I'm sure the black one will fit better on me. And it has cotton in the bottom. It has the little cotton pad there, and that I like, the little cotton protector. I really like the underwear to have this. And I think it's better. So I think I have one more box to go, so let's keep going. Let me know what you think about this. Have you tried them? Or do you think this is interesting? Let me know what you think. And this is, oh yes, this is another box of shoes, and these are kid shoes. I got this for one of my girls, one of my daughters. And I like to buy shoes during the anniversary sales because sometimes they have really good prices on shoes for kids, and these are from the brand Merrell. Sometimes at the anniversary sale they have shoes on sales from brands that I like. And these are the ones they had available for kids. These are number 4, and I really like the color because these are the type of colors my daughters use, and it doesn't matter if they get dirty because the color is very dark. So it doesn't show if they are dirty. So I really like this because the sole is not that thick. The shoes also are very lightweight and flexible, and they are wide, and I think this brand is good, but you need to choose a good design you like because they have some designs that are really thick, and I don't like those. I don't know if they are still available, but if they are available, I'm gonna leave you the link. Merrell. Okay. So have you checked my Barbie fragrances video? The jacket I'm going to show you right now, I bought it at Macy's because I wanted to wear that one for that video. but I couldn't because it didn't come on time and I couldn't wait any longer to film that video. Okay, let me show you the jacket, and it comes with the hanger and the bag. Ooh, I like it. I'm glad to see they took care of this. Let me show you the jacket. I'm really happy they packed this good. They just didn't throw it in the box like sometimes they do. This was my Barbie jacket. I thought that the fabric was going to be better, but I think the fabric from the one I'm wearing now is better. This is some type of cheap fabric. Well, I'm gonna try it on. And it was the extra small, and I don't know if it's returned because it doesn't have the price sticker. I don't know what happened, but at least it has an extra button. I ordered the extra small, and I think I did good because it looks big. I'm gonna try it on right now. I thought this from Nordstrom was a low quality material, but I think I like this from Nordstrom more than the material from this one. I don't really know about this brand. This is Bar 3, I think. Can you see? Yeah, Bar 3. I don't know about that brand, but the quality of the fabric is not that good. I'm not sure if the size is too small, it's extra small. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's because I'm sweaty. My skin is a little sticky, so I feel like it's a little bit small. I don't know if it's my skin or the fabric. The fabric is very sticky from the inside, or my skin is the sticky. But I really like the color. I like it. And it has a button here. I like it. I like that it has the button right here on my waist, and it gives me a little bit of figure. Yeah, I like it. It fits well, it fits good. Extra small is good for me. The fabric is not the best, but for me that I don't need it to go to work, to a office, or for any special occasion. It's good. It's good. I'm gonna leave the link in the description section in case you wanna check it out, and I'm gonna leave the link or wherever is available still at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. That's it for this video. I will see you next time. Bye.